Glad to see you. I had a funny dream when you were wearing funny shoes. You were going to a dance. You were dressed like a punk, but you were too young to remember. Glad to see you. I'm outside the house and I'm thinking right today. I've got no energy. I'm glad that you were waiting with me. Tell me all about your day. Breaking off this misery. Sing a wilderness for you and me, punctuated by philosophy. I'm wondering how things could have been. I'm happy for you, you made a heart for me. I counted on your company. You were staying with your friends tonight. I'm feeling sorry for myself. I keep taking everything to be outside.